Clear.
Hold on, I gotta shut the door behind.
Yes, she's gone.
Yes, I want her.
What kind of tragedy do you want her to die from?
Yeah.
What?
I heard that.
No, that was nothing.
No.
So what kind of
I heard that
tragedy?
record button.
No.
I didn't record it.
Kind, like,
I promise you, I'm on a game.
Look, I'm not. Do you mean like murder kind or like?
Hold
like
on.
what kind? Murder kind?
No, like
or gunshot kind?
old time.
Like what?
When she gets older, she dies.
Oh.
Well, I'm not gonna be here next year, and I'm gonna be happy of that. And that's really rude.
Me either. I'm gonna go up to Georgia and meet my cousin. And I'm gonna say,
Well, I'm moving out of that house. And Ashlyn is too. And I bet we're gonna be happy.
right,
But I'm not gonna be that happy.
Ashlyn. I hate her.
You either too. Do you want Ashlyn to die? No, but you want Annabelle to die because she does worse things. But Annabelle is your friend, right? You want her to die? Like what kind of friend die do you mean? Like what kind of die?
But
Not the Olden die, because that's dumb. That's very dumb.
I'm like can't breathe.
But she can't breathe and she dies? Suffocating? Okay, thanks for saying.